AG fans, I'm here with Julie today, and we are going to be showing you space buns inspired by Luciana. So Lucy, as you can see in the Luciana catalog, she has space buns, and so today I'm going to be showing you how you can do it on your Luciana dolls and on your other dolls. So as you can see, I have the hairstyle already done on half of Julie's hair. So this is how it would look like. So first you want to part your doll's hair in half. As you can see, I use Julie because she already has her part line in the middle. And if your doll doesn't have that, then all you want to do is make sure you have an even amount of hair on each side. And so here I have it. And what you'll need to do is an American Girl comb and a water spritz bottle and some rubber bands. So first you're going to want to do is spritz your doll hair with water, just in case it's dry, and lightly comb it, starting from the bottom all the way to the top, just to get those little tangles out. Okay. So now what you're going to do, you're going to brush from the bottom of her head, and you're going to brush up to keep it smooth. And then from the side here, so brush it up so it looks nice from the bottom and then across. And then like you're gonna form it like if you're gonna do a ponytail. So you want to do it high buns, just like that. And once you get it how you want it, you're going to start twisting. Just wanting to make sure. Okay. So now that you're going to twist, and then it'll start to form like that. So you're going to keep on twisting until it wrapped around itself. So Julie's hair is really long. Okay. So there it is with an elastic. You're going to want to secure it. And I use 2 to 3 just to make sure they stay in there. And then you're going to want to spritz it with water just to get those little flyaways tamed. So there is her bun. So there is Julie's space buns. And thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you'll do this hairstyle on your dolls. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more of my AG videos. Bye!